What we see here are various objects associated with the artist's attempts to kill herself over the past few months. For example, medicine bottles, records of hospital admissions, Polaroids of several HIV-positive men with whom she has had intentionally unprotected intercourse, pieces of broken glass.
Yes, and the walls of the gallery have of course been lined with her many suicide notes. In addition to the Polaroids, there were rather unpleasant, I have to say, video recordings of the attempts themselves. I don't know about other people, but after a few minutes of this, I rather began to wish she succeeded the first time round.
Well, I think that's an inexcusably frivolous comment to make about what is clearly a landmark work. It is highly personal and at the same time raises vital questions about the world we're living in.
Why can't people learn to draw? Why can't people learn to paint? Students should be taught skills, not ideas. Because what we see here is the work of a girl who quite clearly should have been admitted not to an art school, but to a psychiatric unit.
Well, that's an extraordinary comment which I'm surprised to hear outside of a police state.
Oh, please. I am simply suggesting that this poor girl requires help.
Requires help? Oh, really? Isn't Anne actually asking us what help actually means? Isn't she saying, I don't want your help? Isn't she saying, your help oppresses me? Isn't she saying the only way to avoid becoming a victim of patriarchal structures in late 20th century capitalism to become her own victim? Isn't that the true meaning behind these attempts on her life?